In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer quote estimate in Xero. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your processes or an accountant ensuring clients get accurate proposals, crafting a clear and concise quote is crucial. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the top right of your Xero dashboard, where you'll find a plus icon. It's pretty straightforward, just give it a click. This will open up a variety of options. What you're looking for is the quote option. Select that, and you'll be on your way to producing a document that can significantly enhance your business interactions. Now we move on to the heart of the process, entering the quote details. Here, accuracy is key. Start by filling in the customer's contact details. It's essential to ensure this information is correct because it's the foundation of your communication. Once the contact information is set, you'll enter the specific items or services you're quoting for. Carefully list each item, as this will determine the total cost and convey professionalism and attention to detail to your customer. Next up, you'll need to enter the cost for each item or service. Be precise here. This will impact your profitability and transparency with your customer. If you're unsure about what to charge, refer to your prior invoices or business records to maintain consistency. Following this, it's important to outline the terms of the quote. This could include payment terms, delivery timelines, and any other conditions relevant to the goods or services provided. Clear terms help manage client expectations and reduce misunderstandings down the line. Clarity provides peace of mind for both you and your client, ensuring a smoother transaction. Once you've double-checked all the details, you have a few options to proceed. If you've reviewed everything and feel ready, you can simply click Save to keep the quote in your records. Alternatively, if you're ready to present the quote to your customer, you can send it directly via email. Xero provides this functionality, making it easy to communicate quickly and efficiently. Plus, if you've already sent the quote through another means but still want it recorded in Xero, you can choose to save as sent to reflect this. And there you have it. You've successfully created a customer quote estimate in Xero. This simple yet comprehensive approach can save you time, make your business look more professional, and ultimately help increase your chances of securing the deal. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy quoting!